News Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
And as we check in with meteorologist Leah Pezzetti, I said winter, colder air temperatures, colder water temperatures, but I mean, really, the last couple days, I can't necessarily say that's true.
Nope. Oh my gosh. I went outside yesterday and laid out at Mission Beach, and I swear if I closed my eyes, it was summer. And guess what? That was just the beginning. The warming continues into today. It's going to be a little bit warmer today for this holiday weekend. We do still have this high surf advisory, like we mentioned, that ends on Tuesday. And then we're talking about some rain chances heading into the region this week. So for today, sunny skies, 70s and 80s along the coast, 80s as we move inland, 60s and 70s for our mountains, 80s for our deserts. So definitely a warm day today. Like I said, a couple degrees warmer than what we felt yesterday. Heading into tomorrow, we're going to see the sunshine continue yet again, a little bit cooler though. Then Tuesday, we're going to wake up to a little bit of cloud coverage. Maybe a stray shower or two, but really Tuesday is going to be a transition day, so it's going to be mostly that cloud coverage. It's Wednesday when we start to introduce our chances for rain. However, for our coastal and for our inland communities, it's not looking like anything major, maybe a shower or two, but really it's going to be our mountains and our deserts that get the most rain for this first system. Then a second round is going to head our way Saturday. This one looks a little bit more promising for our coastal and our valley communities, but we'll take what we can get, maybe even if it's a couple hundred. We're in a deficit right now. We're about 3 inches behind where we should be for this water year. So we definitely need any rain we can get. So for today, look at this change. We go from 80 degrees and sunshine in San Diego today to 59 degrees and with rain on Saturday. So a lot going on in the next couple of days. We're going to see that cool down through the next week. 80s for our inland communities before getting down into the 60s. You can see same thing. Like I said, cloud coverage Wednesday, maybe a sprinkle or two, looking more promising on Saturday. Mountain communities are going to be in those 60s before getting down into the 40s with some snow above 5,000 feet for Wednesday and Saturday. Deserts 80s to the 60s. So a lot going on in the span of 1 week. If you like that sunshine, good, you get it. If you like that rain, good, we're going to get it.
Even a little dusting of snow.
Yeah,
sounds good. All right, Leah, thank you.
By Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
And we certainly have a lot to get to in weather, so we want to send it right over to meteorologist Leah Pezzetti, who's in for Mel. Talk about this series of storms and what we can expect.
Yeah, multiple storms coming in the next week. We need all of this rain, and it does look like we're going to get some pretty significant rain, especially with storm number 2. So we have scattered showers through today, and then we're actually going to dry out, calm down a tiny bit tomorrow. And then Sunday, we're going to see that second storm. This one's really going to pack a punch. For today, temperatures are going to stay nice and cool. We're talking highs mostly in the 50s here in San Diego County. Our mountains actually seeing highs in the 30s. So definitely a cold day today in addition to these scattered showers moving through the region. So this morning you can see remaining light. It's really going to be around lunchtime and into our evening hours that it starts to pick up. So this is showing 2:30 in the afternoon. You see starting to get some moderate rain, those yellow spots, some mountain snow as well. So scattered showers, you could see pockets of rain here and there. And then heading into tonight, it's going to calm down a tiny bit. We can see about 1 a.m. maybe still a little bit of snow, but then by tomorrow morning, we dry out. You're going to actually wake up to some sunshine tomorrow. You're going to think, hey, the rain's done. Not so fast. Rain comes back tomorrow night. So you can see heading into Monday that rain piles back in. This is showing Monday about 3 a.m. So overnight, Sunday night into Monday is when we're really going to see that heavy rain and that heavy snowfall too. So you see storm number 1 today, that light rain. Storm number 2, Sunday night into Monday, lingering Tuesday. Storm number 3 comes Thursday. Temperatures staying cold the whole week though. A slight warm up by the end of the week for our coastal and our inland communities. That does mean we rebound back into the 60s. But for our mountains, we are talking mountain snow dropping down to 3,500 feet, maybe even 3,000 feet as highs stay in the 30s through this week. Desert, same thing, 50s and 60s for the next 7 days. So definitely going to be cold and definitely going to be wet. So don't put that umbrella away. If you see a little bit of sunshine, chances are rain's coming back soon.
Okay, sounds good, Leah. Thank you.
This 10 News Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
All right, we're going to turn it over to Leah once again because there is never enough time to get through all that we have to talk about weather-wise.
I know, we usually have that, sunny and 70 for a week, but hey, there's actual weather happening. It's not going to feel like San Diego for the next couple of days. We have cold temperatures, we have heavy rain, we have mountain snow, and we have gusty winds. Let's get to it. So for today, temperatures are going to be nice and chilly, very similar to what we felt yesterday, but it's mostly 50s across the board with 30s for our mountains, and we are talking about rain. So this system is what brought us rain yesterday. This system is heading our way. So let's time it out. This one pushes east. Storm number 2 moves into Southern California. Look at that band of green heading our way. So it's really going to pick up tonight. So today will stay fairly calm. This evening, right around 4, 5, maybe 6 p.m., that's when we're going to start to see these rain chances picking up. Really going to pick up into tonight. So let's go through tonight. You see this green just piling in. Pockets of red and orange. That's moderate to heavy rain heading our way. Mountain snow as well. We're talking about possibly a foot in our highest elevations. Definitely 6 inches, half a foot for some of those lower San Diego mountains. But watch this through tomorrow, through the day. We see the green pouring on in. Lots of green and blue. That's snow on the radar. So we have a lot that we're going to be getting through. This system is going to start to clear Tuesday morning. Winds picking up as well. Gusty winds this afternoon. As you wake up tomorrow morning, same thing across the county, nice and strong. So cold temperatures, gusty winds, rain, snow, lots to talk about. Next 7 days, you can see we do have a slight warm up by the end of the week. We calm down midweek, Thursday night into Friday. That's storm number 3. That is heading our way. So for inland communities starting in the 50s, by the end of the week also warming up to the 60s as storm number 3 heads our way. Thunderstorms also possible with this storm tonight and into tomorrow. For our mountains, look at these highs in the 30s, cold in our mountains. Deserts, highs in the 50s and 60s, also talking about those wet and windy conditions. So a lot going on, Mary. It's like running a marathon up here, which is not what we're used to seeing here in San Diego.
Yeah, we're getting it all in the course of, a week.
Yeah.
All right, Leah, thank you.